AI, artificial intelligence. The world is changing and AI is increasingly part of how we work. So we need to be aware of how it's used in industry, both to get the benefits and to sidestep the problems. 2 things matter for your resume with AI. Number 1, ATS, Applicant Tracking Systems, how companies screen resumes. And secondly, AI writing tools, ChatGPT, for example, and whether you should use them. Let's talk about both. First, ATS. Big companies use ATS. Not every company, but assume they do. Here's why. BHP receives 10,000 plus applications for a graduate position. No one is reading 10,000 resumes to decide who's getting interviewed. An ATS system screens them first. Once you pass the ATS, a human reviews your resume. This is a critical point. Write your resume for a human and then check it will pass ATS, not the other way around. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to check your resume against an ATS system, where it fails, and why you should still write for humans first. But let's look at AI for writing now. There are applications out there that will write your resume for you. You tell it what you want, and it produces a polished document. For example, I could say, write an essay about why AI is beneficial in university education, 2,500 words. It'll come back with an amazing essay. Better than you could write yourself, probably. But here's the problem. It's not your voice. It's a computer's voice. Your resume needs to get you a job, but then you still need to attend the interview. If you present a perfectly flawless AI-generated resume, and then your words in the interview don't match, we notice. We're looking for authenticity and consistency. Let me show you an example. I use ChatGPT, an app that I use, and I typed in, write an objective statement for a resume for a chemical engineering graduate. And here's what it produced. Seeking a chemical engineering position that utilizes my strong foundation in chemical reaction engineering, process design, and data analysis, as well as my problem solving and communication skills to contribute to the development and optimization of sustainable and efficient chemical processes. Great statement, strong power words. But let's look closer. Chemical reaction engineering. Is that what you did? Process design. Come on, you're a graduate. Data analysis. Maybe some basic analysis at university. Problem solving and communication skills. Absolutely. But remember, this shouldn't be in your objective. Save it for the cover letter. I love this part. Contribute to the development and optimization of sustainable and efficient chemical processes. We can use parts of this. Adapt it. Use it as an idea generator for wording. But you need to make it yours. Make it accurate and make your voice come through. I use AI all the time, but I don't rely on what it produces. I use it as a framework, a skeleton, an idea generator. And then I reword it so that my voice comes through. Same applies to cover letters. AI can help with structure and ideas, but it needs to sound like you. Here's the takeaway. AI tools can help, but your resume and cover letter need to be authentically you, not a polished computer voice that doesn't match how you actually speak. Download the ATS-friendly checklist. It's a simple guide to make sure your resume passes automation systems without sacrificing readability. The link is in the description. In the next video, we're going to dive into ATS, how it works, where it fails, and why you should write for humans first.